Using SourceForge's auto-clicker on a Chromebook involves several steps due to Chromebook's reliance on Chrome OS, which does not natively support traditional desktop applications. Here's a guide to setting up and using an auto-clicker on a Chromebook. Use Linux on Chromebook. Enable Linux. Open Settings, Advanced Developers, and turn on Linux. Follow the prompts to set up Linux on your Chromebook. Install the auto-clicker. Access Linux Terminal. Open the Terminal app from your Chromebook's app drawer. Download auto-clicker. Go to SourceForge and download the auto-clicker for Linux. Use the terminal to navigate to the download location and install the package. For example, configure the auto-clicker. Launch the auto-clicker. Open the app from the Linux app section in your app drawer. Set click parameters. Configure the auto-clicker settings according to your needs. Use the auto-clicker. Activate the auto-clicker. Start the auto-clicker and use it as required. The auto-clicker should not perform clicks based on your configuration. Troubleshoot. Permissions. Ensure that the Linux environment has the necessary permissions to control input.